Did you know sleep is crucial for your health? Understanding sleep can improve your daily life significantly. Sleep restores your body and mind each night. A lack of sleep can lead to memory issues, mood changes, and fatigue. Now, let's break sleep down into key components. First, there are REM and non-REM sleep stages. REM sleep promotes memory and learning. Non-REM sleep aids in recovery and rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. This helps you feel refreshed and focused during the day. Creating a bedtime routine signals your body it's time to sleep. Limit screen time and caffeine before bed. Consider a relaxing activity, like reading or meditating. Proper sleep boosts your immune system and mood. It improves concentration and productivity as well. Remember, better sleep equals a better life. Take action now. Prioritize your sleep tonight. Start with small changes and feel the difference. Sleep well, live well.